Hello everyone, welcome to this guided meditation. This meditation is going to help you reconnect with your breath and body. Sit in a quiet meditative pose, erect your back, gently close your eyes. Now, deep breathe in, fill lungs with air and breathe out slowly. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. 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 Now turn your attention slowly on your breath, the natural rhythm of breath. Focus more on your exhalation. Pay attention to the length of your exhalation. Take a few moments in silence. Slowly turn your awareness in your body. Feel if any sensation is there on your toes and fingers. Simply notice any subtle movement, like on the shoulders. If the shoulders is rising up and falling down normally, naturally. Focus on the stomach area, abdomen muscles. Notice the movement. As you breathe in, let the positive energy flow into your body. And as you breathe out, let go any stress, tension, discomfort that do not serve you. Direct your breath on the places where you feel like stress, tension, or any stiffness. Release these emotions through breathing out. Let the positive energy flow, peace flow, relax. You are absolutely calm right now. You are absolutely relaxed right now. You are absolutely peaceful right now. Inhale peace, exhale. Now, slowly get back to the reality. Take your palms, rub your palms and cup your eyes. Place that palm all over your face, neck, shoulder and wherever you are needing to. Now open your eyes gently, slowly. How do you feel?
तो कैसी लगी ये मेडिटेशन? मुझे कमेंट्स पे मेडिटेशन के बारे में, इस मेडिटेशन सेशन के बारे में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपको कितना अमाउंट्स ऑफ पीस मिला है। 10 में से आप इसको लिख के कमेंट पे लिख के जाइए। और इस मेडिटेशन की ख़ास बात यही है कि ये मेडिटेशन अगर आप हर रात सोने के वक्त करेंगे तो शांति से सो पाओगे और उठ जाओगे तो फ्रेश मॉर्निंग मिलेगी। और अगर मॉर्निंग में स्टार्ट करोगे तो पीसफुल मॉर्निंग मिलेगी। पीसफुल मॉर्निंग से दिन की शुरुआत होगी। होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो। इफ़ यू डिड, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। फॉर नाउ, बाय। स्टे ब्लेस्ड, थैंकफुल एंड फोकस्ड।